Hello guys, my in this video about my live Honeygain earnings. This is the background application where I already download that application and run. This is already running in the background. So I just need to click here, double click. After double click, it will be open, and then if you have once open here, just we need to click on here the try your luck, and if you have click here, then then you see here this is open the honey jar, and if I click here the open, then I got a kind of the credits, honey credits, which is worth of 20 credits. Currently I got a current 20 credits. So I just click here the add to account, and well, that 20 credits are credited in my account, and see this is my current balance of $18.62. The 20 credits is worth of 2 cents, and definitely it's not a huge money, but I think something is definitely better than nothing. So nothing is better than something, isn't it? So well, here you see this is my transaction history, where referral earning income from referral is only 1 credit, because I don't have enough referral. So, and even not enough referral, I'm happy with that, because I'm not like the you know afraid about that earnings, because I know the one day will be I got uh, I got I reach a minimum payout, and I got a money doing nothing, because this application running in background. Whenever they use my internet, then only they credit in my account a kind of the credits. Like you see the 8th of October, they collect worth of internet, and some kind of the worth internet, I don't know, but here are the overview about that, how much they are using yesterday or before yesterday. Here are the 7th of here the 8th of October, they use my 16 MB. Here in 7th of October, they use my 96 MB, and 14 September they use my 315 MB. So similarly, if you want to check here about how much they use your data, you can see here they directly very transparent about that your data, and everything about that. So as per your internet users, you will be your account created in your like the Honeyjar credits here. And daily, if you come here and click on that Honeyjar credit, you can see here the 20 credits are available. 20 credits, sometimes I got 50 credits. See here your Honeyjar winning is 50 credits, and sometime I got nothing. Actually, I think I am not click here, because every day you definitely got something like the minimum 10 of credits in your account will be credited. And one of day, you see here that's September 22, I got a 200 credits too. So here you will be got up to 10,000 credits in Honeyjar winning. So well, this is what all about that Honeygain. Your payment will be, you can withdraw once you reach the $20. But if you are sign up via my link or anyone's referral link, you will be got a $5 bonus as a bonus. And just what you need to do is just download this app on your Windows or Android, or any kind of you use the PC or Mac. Just select here, download, and start a background. Nothing that simple is that. And you do your own work, like if you want to chatting here, or like anything you want to type here, you can type. For now I can say thanks for watching. If you like, then subscribe and hit the like button, and check out, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.